Science Lesson 7. Thanks for joining us for our science lesson. Can everyone say hello? Hello! Let's start with our meditation. We're going to get comfortable, sit up straight. We're going to think about heart center. We're going to use 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand goes in our lap. We're going to close our eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Move your right hand into your lap when you feel your heartbeat. Boom, boom, boom. Right here. Let's end our meditation with 3 deep breaths together. 1, 2, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly wiggle your toes. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly stand up. Good, let's stretch our arms up high into the sky. Get a little bit taller on your toes. Jump. 2 jumps, 3 jumps. Good, reach down and touch your toes. Good, come up halfway so your back is flat. Back is flat. Let your arms swing like a monkey. You can make some monkey sounds if you want. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Good. Come up nice and tall, all the way up high. Do a little jump. Good. Let's touch our toes. And yeah, come up halfway. Swing your arms like a monkey. And you can make some monkey sounds. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Good, let's come all the way up one more time. Arms nice and tall. And make them into a T. And put them by your side. Okay, put one leg out. Put your opposite arm out. So we have one long line. See if you can balance. See if you can jump. Woo! See if you can jump 2 times. See if you can jump 3 times. Good, let's stand up nice and tall. Let's do the other side. Put your other leg out and your other arm out. One long line. See if you can jump. See if you can do 2 jumps. See if you can do 3 jumps. Good job. Let's stand up nice and tall. If you're on the floor, stand up. Let's spin around 3 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo. Everybody can take a seat. Today we're going to check on one of our old experiments from last week about plants responding to stimulus in the cold. And we're also going to see what kind of uses different plants have. So we'll take a look at some review and then we'll do our experiment. So first we're going to talk about different kinds of plants. Are all plants the same?
No.
No, plants are different. Some plants might be long and tall like this. Yeah. Some plants might grow like this, have different kinds of leaves. Yeah. Some plants might look like this. They might even have, what's this? Yeah, some plants might have a flower. Maybe some plant looks like this.
Tree.
Yeah, a tree. Yeah, there's all kinds of different plants. Plants are all different. Let me hear. Plants are all different. Good. Plants are all different.
Plants are all different.
Good job. But plants need the same 4 things to live. Do you remember what they are? What's one thing a plant needs to live? Water is one thing. We'll make our list here. One thing plants need is water. They need water. All the different kinds of plants, they all need water. What's another thing they all need? Sun. S-U-N. Good job, S-U-N. Just like Sunday, that's right. Yeah. The plants all need the sun. All different kinds of plants need the sun. What's another thing all plants need? Air.
Air.
Yeah, let's put it here. Air. R. They need the air. It's a little bit hard to draw air, so we have some air moving around. What's another thing plants need?
Nutrients.
Yeah, nutrients. Nutrients.
Nutrients.
Nutrients.
Nutrients.
Good job. That's a tricky word to remember. What is the first sound we hear in nutrients? N. Very good. U. Newt. T. Nutr. R. Very good. And it's an I. E. N. T. S. Good. Good. Nutrients. Nutrients. Good. And nutrients are tiny, tiny things like vitamins. People also need nutrients. They help keep us healthy. Good job. Yeah, people eat nutrients. Yeah, in the food we eat, there's nutrients in the food we eat. Helps keep us healthy, helps keep us strong. Okay, we're going to take a look at a video to talk about stimulus and response. Do you remember in our last lesson, we talked about touching a plant and to see if it moves? Yeah, we went outside and we found a kind of plant that if you touch it, it will move. Yeah. Not every plant does that. Only this special plant will respond to the stimulus. Remember when we touched the plant, it's called the stimulus. Stimulus. Everybody show me the stimulus. Good, and you can touch your arm to see your response. Yeah, the stimulus is touching. The response is the moving. Yeah, how that plant moves. Good, let's watch our video and watch a plant of the stimulus and the plant's response. Let's take a look. Ooh, it's very loud. So this is, someone has touched this plant. They touched the plant. See his finger?
No.
This one doesn't move a little bit. So his finger is the stimulus. The plant moving is the response.
No move. No move.
Yeah. Did this one move?
No.
There it goes.
No.
Just a little bit. So he's using his finger, stimulus, and this is the response. The plant closing its leaves.
Oh, flower. No.
Yeah. Did that plant move when he touched that plant?
Yes.
Did that plant stay still?
No.
Or did it move?
Move.
Yeah, it moved. It closed its leaves up. So when he touched the plant, stimulus,
Stimulus.
stimulus,
Stimulus.
boop, the plant responded. It moved. It responded. Good. We're going to take a look at our experiment that we did last week to see what happens when we have one plant that we keep very cold in a very cold environment and another plant that we keep in a warm environment in our classroom. So let's take a look. Okay, last week we took two plants. We took our plant 1. We left it in the classroom. This was the kind of plant you could touch and it would close up. Plant 1.
Plant 2.
We took plant 2 and we put it in the refrigerator where it was very cold. So we're going to look at our plants and see what happened to our plants. Does this feel cold?
So cool.
So cold. Does this feel cold? Cold, yeah, and you can touch the plants. Is it moving?
No.
It's cold. Yeah. Is that cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is the plant moving?
Yeah.
Are the leaves closing when you touch the plant? No. Yeah. Does that feel cold?
No.
Doesn't feel cold?
No.
Cold?
Yeah.
Did that leaf close when you touched it? Does this feel cold? Yeah. It's kind of dry looking. Yeah, it didn't close up like that. So we took one plant, we put it in the refrigerator. It was in a very cold environment. And what do you think about the leaves? Do those leaves look nice and healthy?
No.
No, they're kind of shriveled up. What color are the leaves?
Green.
They're still green, but they just look kind of shriveled. Shriveled. Good. Let's look at plant number 1. What color are the leaves on plant number 1?
Green.
Yeah, they're green. They're green and they're purple. That's right.
No.
Is it moving when you touch the plant?
No.
It's not cold. Yeah, it's not cold. Does that plant close up when you touch it?
No.
No. Its leaves are already closed up. I think we've touched it too many times.
Why?
Give it a touch. Is it moving? Is that cold?
No.
No, it's not cold. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Did that plant move when you touched it? No, it didn't. Is that cold? No. Yeah. See the leaves up close? You can touch it. Good. Okay. So we looked at these plants last week, and on our papers we wrote some sentences. Let's take a look at our sentences. We're going to read them together.
Today is Tuesday. Finish.
We have some about plant 1 and some about plant 2.
Plan 1.
So, yeah.
And B.
Yeah. Let's read our sentence that we wrote. Plant 1 looks healthy and the leaves are green. Does everybody see that on their paper? Plant 1 looks healthy and the leaves are green. Good, let's read it together. Everybody should have the same sentence. Plant 1 looks healthy. The leaves are green. Good. Let's see about plant number 2. Looks smaller than plant 1. Okay, plant 2 looks smaller than plant 1. Good. Plant 2 looks smaller than plant 1. Good. What's our next sentence? Plant 2 looks healthy and the leaves are green. Plant 2 looks healthy and the leaves are green. Yeah, our plants look the same. They were both healthy. The leaves were both green. One plant was bigger, but they were both healthy and green leaves. What about today?
Today is Tuesday.
Yeah, today's Tuesday, so it's been almost 1 whole week since we had our plants in the refrigerator and 1 on our counter. So almost 1 whole week. First thing we can write is what day it is. Go ahead and write. Good job. Okay. So let's look at plant number 1 first. What color are the leaves on plant number 1? Yeah, they're green and purple. We're going to write that sentence. Yeah, plant 1. Does it look healthy? What do you think?
Healthy and green.
Yeah, it still looks pretty healthy, right? Not cold. Still looks pretty healthy. Yeah, still looking pretty healthy to me.
Ow, ow.
Careful.
Now.
Yeah.
Oh,
See? Okay, so we're gonna write, careful. Okay, so on our paper we're going to write plant 1. Yep, it's already written for us. Plant 1. How do I spell looks? L. Good. Okay, what do we think? Raise your hand if you think this plant looks healthy. Do you think this plant looks healthy? Yeah. A lot of people think our plant looks healthy, so we're going to say plant 1 looks healthy. Good. H E A L T H Y. It looks healthy and D. Good. We're going to talk about the leaves. And the T H E. What's the first sound you hear in leaves? L. Good. E A V E S. Good. What color are the leaves on this plant? They're green. And what other color? Purple. So we're going to write they are green and purple. Can you see? So healthy and the leaves are green and purple. So we have and the leaves are green and how do I spell and? Good, A-N-D. And what's the first sound we hear in purple? B, that's right. Close. It's a U. Purple. Purple. What do you hear next? Purr. Purple. It's an R. Purple. Another P. L. E. Good job. The leaves are green and purple. It still looks pretty healthy. It's not closing up right now. I think we touched it too many times. It's all closed up. And we're going to draw plant number 1. That's right. Draw plant number 1. Let's take a look at plant number 2. What color are the leaves on plant number 2? They're green. Yeah, but they're... What, Prow? What are the leaves? I heard you say. They're green and very small. Yeah, they are very small. Does this plant look healthy to you? Do you think this plant looks healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy. Me.
Yep, it's still cold. Look at the leaves. Do you think they're healthy or unhealthy? Does this plant look healthy? Good job. Good job, good job. Cold? Yeah, it's kind of cold. Okay. Yeah, the leaves are kind of dry. Okay, so let's talk about plant 2. Does plant 2 look healthy?
No.
No, it doesn't. It looks unhealthy if we compare it to plant 1. Okay, so let's do our first sentence. Plant 2 should be already on your paper. Plant 2 looks, remember we look with our eyes, looks unhealthy. How do I spell unhealthy? You. N. And then it's just the same as healthy after that. H. E. A. L. T. H. Y. Good. Plant 2 looks unhealthy. Unhealthy. Looks unhealthy. We'll make that our first sentence. It's unhealthy.
And dog.
We're gonna write a little bit more first. So the leaves are still what color? Well, they're still green, but they look very dry. Dry. Yeah, they're kind of hard. They're a little bit crunchy. Yeah, they're kind of dry. So we're gonna make that our next sentence. We're gonna start the leaves. The leaves. The leaves. It's still on your paper from plant 1. The leaves are, it still should be on your paper. It's on your paper from the other plant. The leaves are, what color? Green. How do I spell green? G. What's the next letter? R. Double E. Good. The leaves are green. And how do I spell and? A. N. E. Are these leaves purple? No. We're going to talk about how they feel. They feel dry. And dry. So we're going to say the leaves are green and dry. Dry. D. R. Dry. It makes an I sound, but it's spelled with a Y. Dry. Yeah, the leaves are green and dry. And draw a picture of what plant number 2 looks like. Use your colored pencils to color it. Okay, we're going to talk about the uses of plants. Uses. Uses. S-E-S. Uses. Uses. Okay, what is this? Pencil. I use a pencil to do what? To draw. I use a pencil to draw. Or write, yeah. So the use of this pencil is to draw or to write. Okay? What is this? Spoon. What do I use a spoon for? Eating. Yeah. We use a spoon to eat. Good job. So just like our pencil, our spoon, our spoon and our pencil, or our marker, we can use a plant for different things. We can use a plant for food, to eat. We can use plants for medicine to keep us healthy. We can use plants to decorate, for decoration, to make it nice and pretty. We can also use plants to make products, for things that we can use, like to build a house, or a basket, or a broom. We can use plants for a lot of different things. So we're going to look at our PowerPoint to see the different uses of different plants. We're going to talk about the uses of plants. The uses of plants. Everybody say uses.
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 Good. We can use plants for different things. One thing we can use plants for is food. Food.
Food.
Raise your hand if you like to eat food. Everybody likes to eat food. Food. Good. We can use plants for food. We can also use plants for medicine. Number 2, we can use plants for medicine. Yeah.
Milk.
We can use plants for medicine to keep us healthy.
The milk.
Another thing we can use plants for is decorations.
Decorations.
Yeah, decorations make things look pretty. Does this plant look pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice and pretty. What color is this?
Purple.
Purple and pink and blue and white. Yeah, it's very pretty. And green too. We can also use plants for different products. Products. So things like these poles here are all made out of bamboo. What about on the roof? Is this made out of a plant?
Yes.
Yeah, that's made out of a plant. Yeah, all different kinds of plants we can use. Yeah, good. So let's talk about the first one. What's the first thing we can use plants for? Food.
Food.
Good. Food is what we eat. Let me hear you say, food is what we eat.
Food is what we eat.
Good. Food
Is what
is what we eat. Let me hear you.
Food is what we eat.
Good job. Yeah. We have different kinds of fruits that grow on trees. On trees, yeah. We have different kinds of vegetables that we can take from the trees or from the ground. Yeah. We also have, what is this? Rice. Yeah. Rice is a plant that we can eat. There is lots of rice where we live, all around us. Lots of rice. So food is different plants that we can eat. We can use different plants. Can we use every kind of plant to eat?
Yes. Yes. No.
No, we can't eat every kind of plant. Not every kind of plant we can eat. Only some kinds of plants.
Food.
But these kinds of plants are things that we can eat. The second thing we can use plants for is this word, medicine.
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 Good. Medicine keeps us healthy. Medicine keeps us healthy. Good. Medicine keeps us healthy. Good job. Do you see these different plants? They're getting smashed up to make different vitamins and nutrients for us. Just like the plants need nutrients, people need nutrients too. So we can make different vitamins and different nutrients from different kinds of plants. Good. The third thing we can use plants for is this word, decorations. Decorations. What do decorations do? They make things pretty. Decorations make things pretty. Good. They make things pretty. Yeah, we can use plants to decorate. Raise your hand if you have plants in your home. Do they look pretty in your home? Yeah, a lot of people in our class have plants in their home to decorate. I have plants in my home to decorate too, yeah. To make my home look nice and pretty, just like these pictures. Yeah. Yeah, you can use plants to make things pretty, to look very nice. Good. The fourth thing we can use plants for is different kinds of products. Products. Good. Products are things we use. Good. Whole thing. Products are things we use. Good. Things we use, just like we use our spoon to eat or our pencil to write and draw. We're not going to eat our pencil. No. We use different types of plants to make different products, things that we can use. These are baskets. Baskets. Raise your hand if you have seen baskets like this before. Yeah. In your home? Yeah. Have you seen baskets like this before? Yeah. You can put things inside these baskets. Yeah. Another thing we can use products for, made from plants, to make buildings. You see the bamboo is making this building. Yeah. Raise your hand if you've ever seen a building that's made with bamboo like this. I have. Okay. Good job. Another product we can use from plants is this to sit on. It's a mat. Mat. Yeah. When we go into the canteen, sometimes they move all the chairs and they move all the tables and they put these mats down on the floor for us to sit on. Raise your hand if you have sat on a mat before. Have you sat on a mat before? I have. Yeah, we sit on the mats at our school. Good. Great job. Okay, I have one question to ask you. Think about this question. Are all plants the same? No. Good job. All plants are not the same. All plants are different, remember? Because look at this plant, and this plant, and this plant. Are these plants the same? No. Yeah. We have a big, beautiful flower here that's living in the water. We have a cactus over here with some sharp points and some nice little flowers. Yeah, and what's this plant? Does this plant have flowers? Do you see flowers on this plant? No. So all plants are different. All plants are different. Look at all these different kinds of plants. Yeah. These plants are all different from each other. Good. Okay. Remember that when we have different kinds of plants, we can use them for different things. Different kinds of things. So different plants have different uses. Good. Different plants have different uses. Good. All together. Different Different plants have different uses. Let's do it again. Different plants have different uses. Different plants have different uses. Whole thing. Different plants have different uses. Good job. Good job. What can we use this for? What is this? This is wood from a tree. From a tree. We can use this wood from a tree to build homes. Or what else can we use wood for? What's this? A table. We can use wood to make tables. Or chairs. Yeah, we can use wood to make tables and chairs, and even our homes can be made out of wood. What about these plants? What about these plants? Yeah, it's different kinds of lettuce. What can we do with different kinds of lettuce? Do we use lettuce to look pretty?
Yes.
Do we put lettuce in our house and look at our lettuce and think, oh, that's pretty lettuce? No. What do we do with lettuce?
Eat
We eat it. That's right. We can use lettuce to eat. Good. What is this? A basket. See, this is made out of some sticks. So we can use this basket to carry things. Basket. Good. We can use that basket to carry things. What about these plants? What are these plants used for? It's some grass-looking plants. These plants look pretty. They're decoration. Decoration. Good. What about this? These plants have been smashed up to make different kinds of vitamins. You see? Vitamins. 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 Everybody make the V sound. Vitamins. Good job. Vitamins. Vitamins keep us healthy. Vitamins keep us healthy. Good job. Okay, we have some plant examples. This is a plant that we can eat. We can eat this plant.
No.
Yeah, this is a plant we can eat. Can we eat every plant? No, we can't eat every plant. This plant is called basil. Basil. And we can eat this plant. It's okay to eat this plant. Basil. Okay, everybody can try a piece of basil. Everybody can taste this plant. It's okay to taste this plant. Raise your hand if you like the way this plant tastes. A lot of our friends do not like this plant. Give it a thumbs up if you like the way this plant tastes. Give it a thumbs down if you don't like the way this plant tastes. A lot of our friends do not like the way this plant tastes. Good. What about this? Is this a plant we eat? No. This is a plant we use to look pretty. This is decoration. This is a pretty plant. It looks pretty. Good. What about this? Is this a kind of plant that we eat?
No.
This is a plant that we can use. What do we use this for? To sweep. We use this to sweep. This is a plant made out of a broom, made out of wood, and plant down here. Good, we use this to sweep. Something we can use that's made from plants. What about these? Is this a plant we can eat? This is a plant we can eat. These are called grapes. 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 We can eat these plants. You have to be careful. They have seeds. Okay? You can eat these plants. Take one. Pull one off. When you eat it, watch out for the seeds though. Oh, we got two. You can have two. Everyone's gonna get two. Okay. Take. You can take two. Take two. You want two? You can have two. Give it a thumbs up if you like the way that grape tastes. Give it a thumbs down if you don't like the way that grape tastes. All right, looks like everybody likes the way that grape tastes. Thank you for joining us for our science lesson. Everybody say goodbye.
Goodbye.